Sancta 5 verse 9. Blessed are the peacemakers, they will be called sons of God. Psalm 56 verse 3. When I am afraid, I put my trust in you. Psalm 34 verse 13. Keep my tongue from speaking evil, keep my lips from telling lies. John 14:15. If you love me, keep my commandment. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that giveth only begotten Son. Whosoever believe in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. John 14:14. If you ask anything in my name, I will do it. Matthew chapter 6 verse 22. The light of the body is eye. You turn the eye in single, the whole body will full of light. But you turn the eye in evil, the whole body will full of darkness. And this is a great darkness. Verse 24. Man shall not have two masters. One year seven, 1 year ignorant, only God among. Revelation 1 verse 7. Look, he is coming with a cloud, and everyone will see him, even those who preach him. John 1:1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God, and the Word was God. Ecclesiastes 12 verse 13. Conclusion of all metaphysics according to this command. This is a duty of man. Mark 1:1. The gospel of Jesus Christ the Son